What's going on, YouTube? Gardening with Eric Brown. Today we're gonna discuss my white potatoes and my sweet potatoes and what I have done to try to induce more bigger potatoes. And what happened was, when I first started, I put a lot of nitrogen inside the soil, and I also had soil that was already amended, and it really needs poor soil. So basically it grew really big, and what I did was it started flowering at the top, and I started cutting the tops off, and I also cut all the leaves off the bottom so I can create a lot of airflow down here. So hopefully instead of pushing the energy up towards the flowers and out to the fan flowers, it's gonna be like, oh my god, I'm being attacked, so I got to get more on. So what it's gonna do is create more roots and bigger bulbs. That is my idea, but we will see when we harvest this. I also did the same thing to the sweet potatoes, gave it a little aeration, let some airflow go through there. I put some bone meal in here, and we're gonna let it do what it do. This is my potatoes, and this is how I'm gonna grow big potatoes. Again, I cut all these leaves off because it was really bushy, and I cut the tops when it started to flower because I don't need the seeds. So I cut the tops off, and I cut all the fan leaves off, and I know I was gonna get some side shoots off because it's still gonna get bushy, but I'm hoping to create more roots on the bottom, bigger tumors. These things are huge, so I'm hoping that these things will start swelling up even more and getting really big tumors here, because I'm hoping for some nice big white potatoes in here. And also with my sweet potatoes the same way. When I first started off, with sweet potatoes down here low, and I just kept filling it in until it got to here, and now it's here. I think the same problem here. I put a lot of nitrogen in this, so I'm pulling away from nitrogen. No more nitrogen on anything around here because I'm ready to bloom. So no more nitrogen. I also picked some beans off here already. Yeah. So that's the update on the potatoes. I don't want to do too much. All right. We're gonna give you another update on the potatoes. Like and subscribe and follow me. So when you grow potatoes, you can do what I do. Wait, before you do what I do, you're gonna wait for the harvest. And if you like it, then you can do what I do. All right, like, subscribe, and follow.